Hi, this is Harsha. Our project is Bichola, which is a matrimonial website. I have done something authentications and some basic front-end work. Let's see. Our servers had controller, middlewares, database, models, routes, and a basic one page, index.js, which is everything. Let's go to our front end page. Here logout we done. The sign up page is looking like this. Some basic functionalities: name, email, and enter your password. The email already registered. And in authentication routes, we have 6 or 7 routes, which is /register, /login, /logout, and get user, user update, update, delete, get all users. In authentication controllers, we have done a basic JWT and send tokens and hash the password by bcrypt. And in front end, we have used React, where every file is run by Axios and send request to the server, which can get the data, and you can sign up easily, and the data will be stored in MongoDB Compass. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is Karthik. In this video, I'll walk you through the matchmaking functionality in our backend built using Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. So first, we will see the explanation of this backend code. I am today explaining this my match controller.js. So first, we are importing the models and utilities. First, we are importing the match and profile models, which store matchmaking data, which also imports send response, a utility function for structured API responses, sending a match request function to allow users to send a request to connect with another user. It first checks if a user is trying to match themselves. In short, both users have profiles and verifies that no existing match is pending. If everything is valid, a new request is stored with a pending status. This gives us 3 key validations. Users cannot match with themselves. Both users must have profiles. No duplicate or existing match requests. Thirdly, once a match request is received, the accept match function allows the recipient to approve it. The function ensures the request exists, the correct user is accepting it, and updates the status to be matched. Now we have rejecting. Finally, we have 2 endpoints. Get matches retrieves all the successful matched users, and get pending requests fetches all pending requests awaiting approval. Both functions use MongoDB's populate method to include user details in the response. This is a quick overview of our matchmaking logic. We ensure smooth user interaction with proper validation, database updates, and structured response. Thanks for watching.
Hello, this side Ishan Singla. I am going to cover some of the major topics of the authentication part of the project. I'll cover the routers like user registration, the login part, and the user details and the logout part. So first of all, I'm going to explain the registration part. This contains, first we start in every para we will give a try or catch errors so that we can catch if there is any error. In this we are first of all checking if the username in the registration, we are checking if the username, email or password is already exists. If it does not exist, we'll provide it a length, or if the user already exists, then it will skip or give an error that the user or username already exists. If it does not exist, we'll ask him for another unique username or password and restore in database, but with the help of bcrypt, the password will be hashed in our database, and in this way we can create a new user. In the login page, if we go, first of all we'll check if email is correct. If the email is correct, then we'll verify with the password. If password and email both are correct, then we'll give the front end the user which is try to logging in, and each user has its unique token according to which the every user have a unique identity. In next would be our logout part. Logout is as same as login, just it all based on the front end part. Then for user details, await, async and await are used for just the waiting purposes or to manage the time. Here we are using find by ID method, which is used for matching the user in the database. And then last comes all users is also same as the finding users. We'll just use find, so that we'll fetch the details of all the users present in the database. And last will, these are for update details or update or delete the user details. These are just used as same as the creation of new user.
Hi, myself Lakshit Kaushal. I am here to explain the review section of our site. When a user wants to send their thoughts and send their ratings and comments, we need to know who is posting it. So we grab the user's ID and attach it to the review. The review is saved and successfully message fired back. We pull every review from the database but raw IDs. Let's talk about the deleting review function. When someone asks us to erase a review he made, first we check if the ID of the request is same, as they cannot delete the review made by someone else.
Next up, we have the create profile function, where the blank state turns into a masterpiece. Our users provide detail like name, age, gender, occupation and other. But wait, we have some strict validation, because no under 18s and only valid gender are allowed, and only if profile already exists. Sorry, no duplicates. But if not, a brand new profile is born, and we even link is to the user's account to the future access. Now come to the update profile page, because the change is only constant. User can tweak their details, but with the smart updates only provide the field and get. Hi, my name is Kapil, and first we have get a profile page, because everyone deserves to see their own story. A user requests their profile and we fetch it from the database, but we don't send a raw data. We have populate username and email from Clarity. If profile exists successfully, if not, 404 status error occurs, because ghost profile doesn't belong here. Next up, the create profile function, where the blank. And finally we have a delete profile, because sometimes it has time for a fresh start. A user decide to wipe their profile, and we ensure the secure deletion, and we have ensured the secure delete, but we don't have leave loose ends. We have cleared the reference from the user account too. Once click, the profile is gone, leaving no trace.